Okay guys, we're going to carry on down a bit. Just in front of us there, we've got REGENTE. People seem to like this hotel. I mean, I've watched a video on it. I can't say I've been in there. People seem to like this hotel. It'll put me off a little bit. It's right out on the road. It's not the pool area. Right next to the road. I don't know. It is a mid player though, so I should imagine it's going to be pretty standard, pretty good. Let me know what you think, guys. Red line back open. It's coming past now. Just over on the other corner. Starting to shows back on by the looks of it. Is the sun like this? There we go. Yeah, it's starting to have shows on again, guys. So we're carrying on down. And what I mean about the islands here, if this one's a small island, it's still got a fish on. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, they do like to decorate their islands. The old music tavern there, that's coming on quite well now. Done a lot of work on that. That's going to be a nice bar, I think, when it's open. It's called the Sun Terrace Benidorm now. So we're going in there for a pint once they reopen. So I think they've got a bit of finishing off to do yet. Looks like it's going to be absolutely great in there. Just going to have a walk down now, somewhere around the Indoor Market. Just giving a look round. Maybe them people that haven't been to Benidorm, see what it's all about. Anybody new to the channel, or we're just you know about giving figures and out. We have done in the past, and you can't get reliable enough information to say really what's going on. I think there's other people far better than me doing that. We're more about showing you what's going on around Benidorm, having a walk round, showing you how many people are here. what hotels are open. That's all things we do. As our regular guys now. It's still a bit quiet up this end because not a lot of Brits about. Obviously this is the British end, till brother Boris says you can go. A lot of people won't come. Right, we're down by the Dynastics now. Hotel's been open pretty well all the way through, I think. They were shut over lockdown, but since seem to be open a lot for most hotels. There's the outside area for that. I'm getting a bit tired now, guys. Hoping I've got enough videos after this one. I'd walk around markets off. There's still a bit of roadworks going on, as you can see. I'm just getting these drains done, I think. It's a really big job. They seem to be doing the paths as well. They're doing paths over there. Putting some new paths in. It's not before time. Really needed doing. And a lot of drain work going on there. If you've been to Benidorm, you know what I'm on about with the smell.
I want to be with you in a glass. Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah. My man. My man.
Benidorm, my boy.
Benidorm.
Alright, man.
Okay.
Benidorm, this is my man.
There we go. So guys, I think we're near enough at the end of the video now. We'll see more from Benidorm. Looked at one coming up in the card now. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.